All right, welcome back. Today is the day. Today we start the giant built-in in our downstairs. I can't wait to get started. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're so excited that you're willing to follow along and watch us build. Let's get started. All right, hey guys, so this is the before of where we're gonna be starting the built-in bookcase build. When I do these sort of projects, I always forget to get before footage. So this is what it is right now. I know it's an absolute mess, but I mean, that's kind of the reason we're building all these bookshelves. I'm gonna finalize some of the stuff in SketchUp right now, and then we're gonna just go out to the shop and start cutting down some plywood. If you're looking for something to listen to in the shop, we do a Spotify playlist every week that gets updated, so go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the description. Okay, so I just finished cutting out the first piece of plywood. I got most of the cabinet sides and then some of the bottom. I'm gonna pretty much build this from the bottom up. So we'll build the bottom cabinets, then we'll put the desk on, and then we'll build the top cabinets to go on top of there, and then we'll fill in all the shelves. So that went pretty well. The circular saw cut a little bit better than I thought. I only had to correct one cut on the table saw. When I design things, I know that I hate cutting down big sheets with just a circular saw. So what I do is I cut it down to like a rough dimension that I know I can fit on my table saw. As long as it's less than about 32, 33 inches, I can go ahead and trim it down on my table saw, get the exact fit that I want, and then I can go on from there. So if you've got limited tools or something like that and you can't buy a track saw or something, you know, start to create a pattern of thought where, hey, I can't do it completely this way, but what if I did it step one this way and then step two, finish it up with another tool to get a nice, fine, even finish. Hopefully that helps. Yeah, just rinse and repeat. I'm also going to try cutting off the pieces off the end of the table this way. Maybe that'll let me still use my table saw in the meantime. So we cut out all the pieces for today. We didn't do the shelves yet. We're gonna go, or the big desk. We're gonna get those pieces tomorrow. That's it for day one.
It's a wrap.
We got everything cut out and we got everything backed away off the wall from where the built-in's gonna go. So thank you so much for following us on this journey. It's really a pleasure just to share this with all of you guys who are watching us go through it. Or even if you're watching this way in the future, we appreciate you taking the time to follow us on this journey. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. I am working nonstop on this. I took a week of vacation to build this thing, so I'm just gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna wake up again tomorrow at like 4 or 5 in the morning until it's done, and then I can enjoy my vacation that I took.
Like the last day.
Anyway, thank you again so much for joining us. We're really learning a lot. Yeah, hopefully the video is fun for you guys watching, but other than that, we don't really have anything else.
We've been going nonstop and I'm hungry. So
yeah, it's definitely
dinner time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.